Hello guys, welcome to Pro Web Coder. My name is Rahul. I'm a Shopify expert. Today, I'm really excited to share with you yet another update in my apps. As you know, I have been developing apps in Shopify. So today, I'm really excited to share another program which I've installed, or you can also benefit with this program. That's called the affiliate links. With the affiliate links, what you can do is basically install my app in your client store and you can earn recurring income from that. So let me show you the referral program, what the referral program is all about. So what you need to do is you need to go to my website. The name of the website is prowebcoder.com, and you can scroll down and you'll see, if you scroll down, you'll see the affiliate programs which I've listed over here. You can simply click any one of these or both of these. So you can go for one referral program. So once you click on this, and you'll see that you can become an affiliate by simply installing this app to your customer store. So let me show you how it will work. So let's click on become an affiliate, and you need to sign in with Google or whatever program is there. So I'll just use one of my programs. So let's see, and then I'll log in, and yeah, that's what details. So, perfect. Now we can simply select this, and I agree to the terms and accept the terms. One way is this: if you already have an have a mental affiliate program, you can search from the marketplace. And for now, I'll just search for the other program. So I search for PwC. Let's see, I see this customer landing, and we can install this and become an affiliate. So I've joined this program, and there are different other programs also. You can select from any one of these also. You can earn recurring income from these affiliate programs of or these are the recurring apps which you can install in your client store and earn recurring income using the affiliate program. So this is for your benefit as well. So you can use this referral program, and by simply installing the app to your customer customer customers dashboard, you can simply earn commission. So Judge Me doesn't give any commission. There are apps which give lifetime commission. They give 12-month commission. I've given 12-month commission for the apps which someone install. And yeah, I can also make it lifetime, but I'll just start with this 12 months program, and then shift to lifetime later on in later stages. So yeah, I'll be definitely creating few more apps. So for the second program, you can also do the same thing. And once you do the same thing, if you're already an affiliate, it will show that you are already an affiliate, and you can simply join in using the program. So that's how you can simply see the you are already, and you have already enrolled with our affiliate program. You can click on this, or this one, and you'll see the promotional asset. You can click on that, and from there on you'll see this unique link. If you install it using the unique link, the the Hey Mantle would know that you have installed this app, and if the customer chooses a plan from this, then you'll start earning recurring income. So let me show you how it works, because you might be confused. So you'll see the payments like this. For example, I have enrolled to these affiliate programs, and someone has installed my affiliate program app. So that's how it will look. The payout would look like this. You'll see the referrals over here like this, and yeah, that's how you'll see the referrals. You'll see the referrals programs over here, and what they have uh, you know what they have actually if they have installed the app or not. So it would be visible over here. So that's how you'll be able to get some recurring income through my app. And I'm also going to enable one more program in which you'll be able to send me the sections, and once I enable them in my app, you'll get 75% of the affiliate income from that particular section or landing page, whatever you are created, and you'll get 75% of that of any earning which comes up through that particular section or landing page. So yeah, that is an upcoming change, but before that you can actually use this referral program. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be looking forward for your referral program or affiliate program. You can install it and you can earn monthly income, a recurring income on a monthly basis. You can also use this platform for in getting recurring income based on some other apps which are there, which are all available. But yeah, I'm giving a, a recurring income with my, and so you can use my as well. So yeah, definitely. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Take care.